Learn how to jailbreak any iPhone from 6 to X using the Skynet tool, a powerful method to bypass iCloud and gain full access to your device. This tutorial will guide you through the process, providing step-by-step instructions on how to use the Skynet tool to jailbreak your iPhone and remove iCloud restrictions. With this method, you can unlock your iPhone and enjoy full functionality even if it's previously been locked to a specific iCloud account. Please note that jailbreaking your iPhone may void its warranty and potentially expose it to security risks, so proceed with caution and at your own risk. The Skynet tool is a popular choice among iPhone users looking to bypass iCloud, and this video will show you how to use it effectively. By following the instructions in this video, you can successfully jailbreak your iPhone and bypass iCloud using the Skynet tool. But now I will show you how to jailbreak iOS 15 new version. Now connect USB cable and open jailbreak tool for jailbreak. But after clicking next button, show unregistered ECID, then you need to activate ECID for jailbreak. Copy the ECID and open the skynettool.com website for active ECID. I will show you how to activate ECID. Then click on the service list and select IMEI service. Then search BR. Type Ultra Display Jailbreak service will appear. Now, as you can see, show both service. You need to select left side jailbreak service for active ECID, left one best for jailbreak for iPhone 6 up to iPhone X. The one on the right is only for jailbroken iPads of the 6th and 7th generations, iOS 17 to 18.7. Now I have selected a service on the left and pasted the ECID to activate. You will watch this video till the end, then no one will need help. I just one request, click subscribe button for more update. I have already shown the method of bypassing iCloud on this YouTube channel. You can watch the video on this channel after jailbreak.